Hello! So today I will give a piano improvisation live session, the first of many to come, where I want to teach all my knowledge of playing piano for many years from the heart, from a place of intuition to you. And so as a little sneak peek here for you, I'm going to give a micro lesson just of a couple of minutes so you can get a feel of how easy and simple and joyful it can be to start playing the piano. All right, let's do it. So one thing I like on the piano is to just alternate two notes. And you can actually take any two notes, but if you want it to really sound very meditative, I suggest you choose any two notes that are 5 notes apart. So it's very easy. You pick actually a note completely at random. Let's say, for instance, this note. You don't even have to know which note it is, and you count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And it's easy because you have 5 fingers, and so it's your pink. And then you hold down the sustain pedal and you alternate. How nice is this? Bring some rhythm into it if you like, and just enjoy, and you can even feel free to sing with that. Yeah. You see, so easy. Literally 2 minutes of practice and you can just do this, and you can already sing for half an hour with yourself, accompanying yourself. And of course, this is just the tip of the iceberg. There's so much I want to share you that I learned over the years. I'll give you very concrete exercises that you can do to really get you kick-started with your piano improvisation. So join us in the Vortex. Every month I'll be giving a live teaching on piano improvisation, along with so much content. Every week there's live creations, there's community gatherings, live streams. So much for you to nourish your soul. See you on the inside.
Bringing back the light with song and dance. Bringing back the light is our universe.